Okay, I just wanted to give a short tutorial on how to add a Nearpod lesson to Canvas. So I'm going to show you that with my Canvas course. So I teach World Geography, so I'm going to click on this course. And I have several modules and things on here. I'm going to want to add it to this migration module down here. So I'm going to click on the plus sign here. I'm going to choose the external tool and then find Nearpod on the external tool. And I'll click that. It takes a little bit to load, and then it will load your Nearpod library. If you have not logged in or linked Nearpod, it's just going to ask you to link your accounts, and you just log in like you would with Nearpod at any time. Then your library will come up. The one that I want to add to my Canvas course is this one right here called Migration 2018. When I click on this, I do not want to add a live lesson. The live lesson is an option in Canvas, but there are issues with that. There's still some glitches that they're figuring out. If you're going to add something to Canvas, it should be a student paced lesson. So I'm going to click student paste. It'll just look like this, and then I'm going to press add item. When I add it, it will show up just like this. It'll say Nearpod student paste in the name of the Nearpod module or presentation that you've added. You'll have to make sure you publish that, publish the module that it's in. But when students click on this, what it will bring up is it will just bring up the Nearpod presentation. They should put in their name, then they'll be able to join the session, and it goes through, and they can click through the session. It has all the different things that you added. There are a few features that are only available for live, like the collaborate board is not a feature that's available in the student pace mode, and so it says that here. So they'll just skip with the collaborate board, and they'll be able to go through the other slides of your Nearpod presentation. Anyway, that's just a quick tutorial on how to add Nearpod lessons to Canvas.